Creative, a little is enough. A little is enough. I am running around today getting a lot of stuff done, so let me tell you, I'm not saying this just casually. If you only have time to do a little bit of creativity, it is enough. This is where tools come in handy because you can do them on your phone, you can make a quick voice to text thing, you can email yourself, you can write it on a napkin. The medium doesn't matter so much. What matters is you exercise a little bit of that creativity today, even if it's just a couple of lines or a single sentence. A little is enough. Don't ever let anyone shame you for not being able to do a ton of work in a day. Real life is complicated, just like the day is hot. And you get done what you can with what you've got. And there is no shame in that. Just make something. Let it be small, let it be wrong, but make something. You can do this creative no matter how crazy your busy day is. And I've got to get back to mine. So when you get the chance, sit down with me and let's make something new.